Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this 3-tier explosion box base. So this is the outer layer, and when you will open the lid, you will get one more middle layer box. So this box will look like this. Now open this. So you will get a last smallest layer box inside this. And when you will open it, you will get a last layer of explosion box. And I have created pocket inside this in each 4 flaps. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need pattern paper, liquid glue, ruler, pencil, ball tool, scissor, bone folder, black and red color 250 GSM sheet. First I am taking this black sheet which measures 36 by 36 centimeters, and I have divided this in 3 equal parts. So here I am creating some creasing. Here I am making the outer layer. So first crease on 12 centimeter, then crease on 24 centimeter. Then rotate your sheet and again crease on 12 centimeter and 24 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. Now I am taking this 12 by 12 centimeter rough paper, just fold it diagonally, and I am cutting one heart shape from this paper. Like this. Now I will just trace this heart on each 4 corner of this sheet. Like this. Now I will cut this heart shape. So this is done. Now I am just joining the center line and making a crease. Now I will fold this creased part like this. So it will look like this. In the same way I will repeat the process on other 3 corners. So after creating 4 hearts, it will look like this. So the outer layer of the explosion box is ready and you can close like this. In the same way I have created the middle layer using red color sheet. For this I have taken 31.5 by 31.5 centimeter paper, and I have creased on 10.5 and 21 centimeter and rotate it and again crease on 10.5 and 21 centimeters. And also I have created 4 hearts in all 4 corners. And in the similar way I have created this small size panel which measures 27 by 27 centimeters, and I have creased on 9, 18 centimeters, and after rotating creased on 9 and 18, and with the similar way I have created 4 pop-up hearts in all 4 corners. So now We will put all 3 layers together like this. Now to create lead, I am taking this black sheet which measures 20.5 by 20.5 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 4 centimeter and on 16.5 centimeters. Again rotate your sheet and crease on 4 centimeters and 16.5 centimeters. Like this. Now first I will cut these 4 corners from one side. Now fold all the creases. Now I am folding these corner flaps. Then add glue on these corner flaps and construct the lead shape. Hold it for some time and let it dry. Now to create middle box lead, I am taking this red color sheet which measures 19 by 19 centimeters, and I am creasing from left side on 4 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Rotate your sheet and again crease on 4 and then 15 centimeters. Now repeat the process as we did for black one. So this is also done. Now to create lead for smallest size explosion box, I am taking this black sheet which measures 16.5 by 16.5 centimeters, and now I am marking on 3.5 and 13 centimeters. Rotate your sheet and again mark on 3.5 and 13 centimeter and create the lead. So the smallest lead is also ready. Now first take your small size panel, gather this and attach the lead with this. Now take your medium size and the largest size. So we can put the medium one inside the larger and smallest one inside the medium. Now gather all the pieces together and connect lead according to the size. like this. So the base of the explosion box is ready. Now I am adding these red color hearts in the corners. So I'm just adding glue. I have already folded these hearts from the center. Like this. In the same way, I have added off-white color hearts in the red color panel and red color hearts in this smallest size panel. Now I will show you how to create pockets. For this I am taking this black color sheet which measures 10.5 by 10.5 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing on 1 centimeters and 9.5 centimeters. Now rotate your paper and crease on 8.5 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. Cut the corners. So the pocket is ready. Now I am taking this pattern paper which measures 7.5 by 8 centimeters and I will connect the pattern paper on the pocket. Now I am creating one semicircle hole on the top of the pocket so that we can easily take anything from the pocket. In the same way I have created 3 more pockets. So I will connect the pockets on this smallest panel. Like this. In the same way I will connect other pockets. So after adding it will look like this. Now I am connecting all the leads again accordingly. So the beautiful explosion box base, which is having 3 tiers, is ready. Stay tuned for the next part where I will show you 12 different styles of cards to decorate this explosion box. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.